Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch RSB-3 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case you're having any issues with this soundbar not working, like it's not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not syncing or pairing with your device, or anything like that, not responding, keeps disconnecting, stuff like that, can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you want to wipe all of the pairing history off of it, all of the IR information for the remote, and all that kind of stuff. And so basically, so you can set this up like it's a brand new soundbar coming out of the box. We can do this really easily. All we want to do is with it on, we're just going to come and find the volume up and volume down buttons. We're just going to press and hold both of them simultaneously until all of the lights go out. It's a long hold for like 5 to 10 seconds. When all the lights go out, you can go ahead and turn it, release those buttons, turn the unit back on, and set it up like it's a brand new soundbar.